Welcome back to my channel. This is Sheryl with iSTYLEMYSTYLE, and today I am bringing you a coffee bar styling for fall. This video is part of a collaboration that is being hosted by two wonderful ladies here on YouTube, and that is Kimberly Davis from Diva Designing on a Dime and Kenya from Kenya's Decor Corner, and it is the Fall Coffee Beverage Bar Collab 2020. And all the ladies asked us to do was to style our coffee or our beverage bars for fall. They host this collaboration seasonally, and it is so much fun to participate. So here is my coffee station, all decorated for fall. It is very simple and simplistic. That is what I like. So I didn't go all out, but I still think it's really cute. I especially love this little sign that my daughter picked up for me from the Target dollar spot. It just sums up fall and autumn perfectly, and I have paired it with these little pumpkins that I picked up from Hobby Lobby last year. Again, very cute. They're so petite. This coffee sign I've had for years. You've seen it many times before, but it says, "Okay, but first coffee." And I thought it went really well with this coffee station. It actually stays on here. I don't change it because it fits perfectly. And I have my little coffee marquee sign. I picked this up thrifting, guys. Another reason to keep your eye out while thrifting. I picked this up for $1.99. It's very modern and it complements my coffee bar perfectly. The little espresso cups I picked up from Amazon. I don't know if I said those before. I actually keep them in my coffee bar upstairs, but I decided to change it out and bring them down here because I thought it would look cute with this little sign. The little mirror tray I picked up from Ross, and the marble tray came from TJ Maxx. But all in all, I think this makes such a cute little vignette. And over here, I have my mug that I will be drinking out of for fall. You know, Halloween is my favorite time of year to decorate for, along with Christmas, of course. So guys, I hope you have enjoyed this short video. It's short and sweet, but I love how my coffee bar turned out. So I would like to thank Kimberly Davis over at Diva Designing on a Dime and Kenya from Kenya's Decor Corner for hosting this collaboration. Again, it was so much fun, ladies. I enjoy participating in these collabs, and I love seeing what everyone comes up with. And I hope you like my simple, coffee bar styling. So I will leave a link for Kimberly's and Kenya's channels down below, as well as a link of the playlist of all the participants. So that is all I have for you today, my friends. I hope you have an awesome day, and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye-bye, guys.